Assalamu alaikum, this is Rashid, and in this tutorial I will brief you, I will make you learn that how you can use the option of transpose. That what is transpose? First of all, I will tell you about the transpose. If the name of the staff is in the shape of column, and if I want to insert that column into the shape of rows, then I will use the option of transpose. I can convert the column into rows and convert rows into columns. So here is a column. Okay, I will make it copy, and here right click and paste special, and here is the option of transpose. Check that option. Okay, and it will make it in rows, and if I want to convert it into column, then I will make it copy and right click here, paste special, transpose, and it will convert it into the column. So this is the basic concept, this is the basic way by which you can use the option of transpose as per your need, as per the requirement of your template on which you will be working in the future when we will we will working on the advanced tutorials. So this is very important. So one more thing, that is, you just need to subscribe my channel for more videos, and if you have any question, any query, kindly give me your feedback. It will be very beneficial for me, for my self evaluation. So thank you so much for this. Thank you.